I've been wanting to turn some more complicated things that require precision and planning and came up with this bowl. I was told by family that it looks like a Christmas bowl. With the timing of the year and what it looks like, I'll call it my ugly Christmas bowl. I bought some hardwood a while ago and just took two 15-inch or so boards of walnut and purple heart made strips of equal width, which is the height of each layer of my bowl. This new miter gauge I have is pretty awesome, fits tight in my miter slot. If you want more info about it, check out my review of it that I'll leave a link to in the description. Using the fence and a piece of 1.5-inch wood, I get consistent lengths on all my cuts, which I do shorter and shorter to make the rings for the bowl. Precision here is important, else you end up with gaps. Mine is not entirely perfect, but it's pretty damn close. I haven't made sure my blade is at absolutely 90 degrees on my small DeWalt table saw, but I think this is good enough. This is starting to look Christmassy. I'm no designer, but I thought it would look more normal. I can see why they see this. I use a metal clamp to hold the rings and hammer down any level differences with a mallet. I gave it a quick sanding, then glued them all into a pile, which I pressed together with plywood scraps. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel move forward and reach new people. Thanks to everyone watching. The next day, on my trusty wood starter lathe, I got it mounted on its original hardware, no special chuck needed, and started to turn my first segmented bowl. It's nice to be able to turn such big items on a desktop lathe. It feels a little choppy at first, there's a lot of hard edges, but as soon as you get some flat areas, it starts to turn really well. Because you're turning side grain only, it's really smooth. Turning the inside was a little bit more scary. It's harder to reach in there and keep a good angle with the cutters, but it went great. I finished it with simply butcher block oil, so it's food safe for Christmas. Here's my ugly Christmas bowl, all done and ready to be used. Thanks for watching and see you next time.